Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll teach you how to generate PDF invoice with Caspio Data and send it as an email attachment using PDF.co and Zapier. Check out the link of the full tutorials in the description box below and visit PDF.co for more information. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. Next, search and select the Caspio app. And choose the New Record option to trigger the automation when a new record is added to your chosen table. Now connect your Caspio account to Zapier. This allows Zapier to access and extract the necessary data from your Caspio database. To complete the setup, you will need to select the specific table that you want to monitor with this trigger and extract the necessary data from your Caspio database. Let's proceed with testing the trigger to fetch data from Caspio and then utilize it to generate a PDF invoice. The test trigger has been successful and extracted the necessary data from Caspio. Now we can proceed to incorporate another application and use the retrieved Caspio data to generate a PDF invoice. For the next step, we will add the PDF.co app. And select the HTML to PDF converter option. This will enable us to utilize both the HTML code and the retrieved Caspio data to generate a PDF invoice. Now connect your PDF.co account to Zapier by adding the API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Let's set up the configuration. First, input the HTML code along with the Caspio data. Next, you can customize the parameters such as page orientation, page size, margins, print background and media type. For this demo, we will use the default values. Then specify a name for the generated PDF invoice. Let's test the action to send a request to PDF.co and generate a PDF invoice with Caspio data. The test result was successful and returned a temporary URL. Copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the generated PDF invoice. Here is the generated PDF invoice with Caspio data. We will now add another app to send the generated PDF invoice as an attachment to an email. In this step, we will add the Gmail app. And select the Send Email option to send the generated PDF invoice as an attachment to an email. Now you will need to connect your Gmail account to Zapier to authorize access of sending email to Gmail. Let's set up the Gmail configuration. First, enter the email address of the recipient who will receive the PDF invoice attachment. Enter your email address in the From field. Add a subject line to your email. Add your desired message to the body of your email. Lastly, include the URL from the generated PDF invoice output in PDF.co as an attachment to your email. Now it's time to test the action to ensure that the generated PDF invoice is being sent as an attachment to the email. We have successfully sent an email to the recipient with the PDF invoice attachment. We have plenty of available tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website, as well as on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.